How does the start method of a scalable Apache instance know which shared address resource will be performing load balancing services on its behalf? Option A. It does not know which shared address resource will be performing load balancing services. Option B. It uses the shared address resource in the same resource group as the Apache resource. Option C. It uses any shared address resource in the resource group on which the scalable Apache group depends. Option D. It uses the network_resources_used property of the Apache resource, which you are required to provide. The correct answer is option D. Which two activities must be accomplished before you leave the customer location after any cluster installation? Choose 2. Option A. Run Explorer and collect the output. Option B. Create an Oracle database instance. Option C. Create users to administer the cluster. Option D. Set the terminal concentrator password. Option E. Reboot the nodes and verify that all the nodes come up properly. The correct answer is option A, E. Under what circumstance can you modify the Apache configuration file so that Apache listens only on the application-specific IP address that you will incorporate into your resource groups? Option A. If you will be running in failover or scalable mode. Option B. Only if you will be running Apache in failover mode. Option C. Only if you will be running Apache in scalable mode. Option D. Never. The correct answer is option A. Which two statements are valid reasons for placing the httpd.conference file for a cluster in a directory other than /etc/Apache? Choose 2. Option A. Placing the configuration file on local storage is unsupported. Option B. The files that you find in /etc/Apache after the standard Solaris install are inappropriate for the cluster. Option C. Placing the configuration file in the shared storage rather than in /etc/Apache makes managing the file easier since you only need one copy. Option D. If the file httpd.conference is not in /etc/Apache, then the standard unedited Solaris boot scripts will not start Apache, and the cluster will work properly even if those boot scripts are present. The correct answer is option C, D.